Hello dear students, we are going to tackle with two problems. One is related to the quantum number and de Broglie hypothesis, whereas the second problem is related to ionization energy. First question is, what is the quantum number of hydrogen atom in the given figure? This is the diagram showing the standing waves of hydrogen atom around its orbit. Now we have to find the quantum number of this hydrogen atom from this diagram. Now solution. According to de Broglie hypothesis, electron revolving around a nucleus traces standing or stationary waves. Here these are the stationary waves around orbit of hydrogen atom. Now the given standing wave has three wavelengths, one wavelength, two wavelength and three wavelength. Therefore the quantum number will be 3. Second question, two parallel plates are 0.013 meter apart in which argon atoms of ionization energy 15.6 electron volt are placed at low pressure, having molecular separation 4 into 10 to minus 5 meter. Find minimum potential energy needed to ionize hydrogen atoms. So, solution to question 2. These are two parallel metal plates having potential difference V. It contains argon atoms having molecular separation. Separation between these two plates is 0.013 meter. Separation between two argon atoms is, suppose this is S, S is 4 into 10 to minus 5 meter. This is molecular separation. We have to find V to ionize argon atom. Ionization energy is equal to 15.2 eV. For ionization of argon atom, ionization energy must be equal to the kinetic energy of striking electron. Thus 15.2 into 1.6 into 10 to minus 19 joule, which is the ionization energy, must be equal to half m into v square, where v is the velocity of accelerated electron. It will be 1.2 into 9.1 into 10 to minus 31 v square, which gives v square as 2 into 15.2 into 1.6 into 10 to minus 19 divided by 9.1 into 10 to minus 31, which is equal to 5.4857 into 10 to power 12. Now b square is equal to u square plus 2 a s gives 0 because u is 0. 2 a into s is 4 into 10 to minus 5, which gives a as b square upon 8 into 10 to minus 5, 8 into 10 to minus 5, which gives acceleration as 6.8571 into 10 to power 16 meter per second square. Therefore, F will be equal to E into E is equal to ma, which gives E means V by D into E is equal to ma, which gives V as ma d upon E. Values are known. Therefore, V will be equal to mad upon E. M is mass of electron, 9.1 into 10 to minus 31. A has been calculated as 6.8571 into 10 to power 16 and D is 0.013. E is electronic charge 1.6 into 10 to minus 19. So, we get V as 5070 volt.